On April 22, 2025, NASA showcased its ongoing commitment to exploring the cosmos through a series of significant events and initiatives that highlight both scientific advancements and the inspiring stories of individuals contributing to space exploration. From stunning celestial imagery to groundbreaking research, this day encapsulates the intersection of technology and human aspiration. One of the standout features of the day was the Astronomy Picture of the Day, which presented a striking digital composite image of the Moon aptly titled Terminator Moon, a Moonscape of Shadows. Captured by Rich Addis, this image reveals the Moon's surface in a way that emphasizes its craters and Maria, the darker regions formed by ancient volcanic activity. The unique perspective offered by the Terminator regions, where daylight meets darkness, creates a three-dimensional effect, allowing viewers to appreciate the lunar landscape's rugged beauty. As described in the explanation accompanying the image, the darker regions known as Maria are not just darker than the rest of the Moon, they are also flatter, providing valuable insights into the Moon's geological history. In tandem with the imagery, NASA's Lucy spacecraft achieved a significant milestone on April 20, 2025, as it approached the elongated asteroid named Donaldjohanson. This spacecraft, which has been traversing the solar system at an impressive speed of 30,000 miles per hour, captured detailed images of the asteroid from just 600 miles away. Tom Statler, a NASA planetary scientist involved in the mission, remarked, "These early images of Donaldjohanson are again showing the tremendous capabilities of the Lucy spacecraft as an engine of discovery." The peculiar shape of the asteroid, resembling two nested ice cream cones, raises intriguing questions about the origins of such celestial bodies and their role in the formation of the solar system. The Lucy mission aims to further investigate the Trojan asteroids, believed to be remnants from the solar system's formation over 4 billion years ago, thereby deepening our understanding of planetary development. Meanwhile, on Earth, the University of Cincinnati celebrated the remarkable achievements of its students, particularly Colin Malott, a fourth-year information technology student currently interning at NASA's Office of Inspector General. Malott, who is specializing in cybersecurity and game development, has been actively involved in investigating cybercrime and has developed a self-service software tool to enhance reporting processes within the agency. His mentor Daniel Mills praised his contributions, stating, "We look to his attributes as a model for what we are looking for in other scholarship candidates." Malott's journey exemplifies how educational opportunities and internships can lead to meaningful careers in space exploration and technology. Additionally, NASA's SpaceX CRS-32 mission, launched on April 21, 2025, signifies another step forward in resupplying the International Space Station. This mission not only delivers essential supplies but also includes various scientific experiments aiming to refine robotic maneuvers, enhance air quality monitoring systems for future lunar and Martian missions, and test atomic clocks for advancements in fundamental physics. The diverse array of experiments underscores NASA's commitment to innovation and exploration, paving the way for future missions to the Moon and beyond. As we look ahead, the confluence of these events serves as a reminder of the ongoing endeavors to deepen our understanding of the universe. From lunar imagery that captivates the imagination to cutting-edge missions exploring asteroids and the invaluable contributions of students shaping the future, NASA continues to inspire a new generation of explorers. The advancements made today lay the groundwork for discoveries that will shape the narrative of space exploration in the years to come. Inviting all to join in the quest to uncover the mysteries of the cosmos. A significant step for ongoing operations aboard the International Space Station ISS. The SpaceX Dragon cargo spacecraft successfully docked at 8:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time today, delivering approximately 6,700 pounds of scientific research and supplies. This marks the culmination of SpaceX's 32nd commercial resupply mission for NASA, following a launch from the Kennedy Space Center at 4:15 a.m. on April 21. The Dragon spacecraft's journey began on Monday morning when it was propelled into orbit by a Falcon 9 rocket. About 9 minutes post-launch, the Dragon separated from the rocket and began its meticulous approach to the ISS, which required a series of thruster firings to align correctly with the station's Harmony module. As the spacecraft closed the gap, it was a moment of anticipation for NASA and SpaceX teams, especially given the increasing demands for resupply missions amid a backdrop of recent logistical challenges faced by other providers. This mission, designated CRS-32, is notable not only for the volume of cargo it delivered but also for the variety of scientific investigations it supports. Among the supplies transported are critical research tools, including an enhanced air quality monitoring system designed for future exploration missions to the Moon and Mars, as well as 2 atomic clocks intended to test fundamental physics concepts and the synchronization of precision timekeeping across the globe. NASA officials highlighted the importance of this diverse cargo, underscoring its role in advancing scientific understanding and ensuring crew health aboard the ISS. The successful docking comes at a time when the ISS's resupply operations have been under scrutiny due to recent delays and challenges. Earlier this year, a Northrop Grumman cargo mission was abandoned after sustaining damage, while Sierra Space's Dreamcatcher module has seen its debut pushed back by over a year. Such incidents underline the precariousness of maintaining a steady supply line to the ISS, an endeavor that has become increasingly critical as the station approaches its operational limits. Looking ahead, the next Dragon mission, CRS-33, is scheduled for a summer launch, aiming to test new technologies related to the U.S. deorbit vehicle, which is intended to ensure a safe return for the ISS when its operations conclude in 2031. Each resupply mission not only replenishes supplies but also serves as a testing ground for innovations that will be crucial for future deep space missions. As the Dragon capsule remains docked to the ISS for approximately 1 month, it will also facilitate the return of scientific experiments and waste back to Earth, showcasing its unique capability to bring cargo home safely, a feature not shared by other operational cargo vehicles. The successful delivery and future missions underscore the evolving landscape of commercial spaceflight, where partnerships between NASA and private companies like SpaceX play a pivotal role in sustaining human presence in space. With the integration of advanced technologies and a commitment to scientific research, the future of space exploration looks promising. The continued success of missions like CRS-32 not only supports the current crew aboard the ISS but also lays the groundwork for humanity's next giant leap into deeper space, in a remarkable display of resilience and dedication. NASA astronaut Don Pettit has returned to Earth after an extensive 7-month mission aboard the International Space Station ISS. This latest journey not only marks his 4th spaceflight but also coincides with a significant milestone, Pettit's 70th birthday. Touching down in Kazakhstan on April 19, 2025, the veteran astronaut's journey has captivated space enthusiasts and highlighted the ongoing contributions of seasoned professionals in the field of space exploration. Pettit, who has spent a total of 590 days in space over the course of his career, showcased the unique challenges of readapting to life on Earth post-mission. Upon his return, he was seen being assisted out of the Soyuz capsule, appearing somewhat disoriented, a common experience for astronauts reacclimating to gravity. NASA officials reassured the public, stating that his condition was within expected parameters following such an extended absence from Earth. Pettit himself humorously remarked on the toll that landings can take on astronauts, explaining, "When I land, it takes me about 24 hours to feel like I'm a human being again." Pettit's contributions to space exploration extend beyond mere presence in orbit. He has gained recognition for his stunning photography of Earth from space, which he frequently shares with the public. His captivating images not only highlight the beauty of our planet but also serve to inspire future generations about the wonders of space travel. In a broader context, the advancements in space travel were recently underscored by former NASA astronaut Dr. James Newman, who spoke about the evolution of space exploration during a visit to the Naval Postgraduate School in California. Reflecting on his own career, which included missions to assemble the ISS and repair the Hubble Space Telescope, Newman emphasized the importance of continued innovation in space travel. He noted, "As technology improves and as we learn better how to do these things less expensively, I think the future will include people going to these places," referring to the vast potential for human exploration beyond Earth, including missions to the Moon and Mars. Newman's perspective resonates with the growing involvement of private companies in space exploration, which is reshaping the landscape of how humanity engages with space. He expressed optimism about the future, stating, "Humans are explorers. We go off into our local universe, the Earth now. And now we are venturing out beyond the Earth." His commitment to inspiring young people through educational initiatives reflects a broader responsibility felt by many astronauts to share their experiences and foster interest in science and technology careers. As space exploration continues to evolve with missions like Artemis aimed at returning humans to the Moon, the community looks forward to the contributions of both seasoned astronauts like Pettit and emerging voices like Newman. The intersection of experience and innovation promises not only to expand our understanding of space but also to inspire a new generation of explorers eager to push the boundaries of what is possible. With each mission, the narrative of human space exploration becomes richer, and the future holds the potential for further breakthroughs that could redefine our place in the cosmos. As we reflect on the achievements of astronauts like Don Pettit, it is clear that the quest for knowledge and adventure in space is far from over, setting the stage for even more exhilarating developments in the years to come. In a significant advancement for aviation technology, NASA has unveiled a groundbreaking ultralight antenna designed to enhance communications for various air transportation systems, including drones and future air taxis. The antenna, constructed from one of the lightest solid materials known, an aerogel, promises to revolutionize how aircraft interact with satellite networks, ensuring stronger and more reliable connections even in challenging conditions. The aerogel antenna, developed at NASA's Glenn Research Center in Cleveland, is crafted from flexible high-performance polymers that provide a unique combination of lightweight and strength, featuring an impressive 95% air content. Researchers have the ability to customize its properties, allowing it to be as flexible as plastic wrap or as rigid as plexiglass. By removing the liquid portion of a gel, you're left with this incredibly porous structure, explains Stephanie Vivid, a chemical engineer involved in the project. This innovative design is known in the aviation community as an active phased array aerogel antenna. The implications of this technology extend beyond mere weight savings. The aerogel antennas can be integrated into the exterior of aircraft, significantly decreasing aerodynamic drag and enhancing the visual aesthetics of the aircraft. Unlike traditional antennas, which can be bulky and visually intrusive, the new design resembles a flat honeycomb structure that conforms seamlessly to the aircraft's surface. This not only improves the aircraft's performance but also reduces the likelihood of signal interference by allowing individual array elements to be adjusted electronically. In a series of successful tests, NASA demonstrated the antenna's effectiveness by establishing communication with both low Earth orbit and geostationary satellites. In an in-flight trial conducted in the summer of 2024, a rigid version of the antenna was tested on a Britten-Norman Defender aircraft, confirming the reliability of data transmission with a low Earth orbit satellite. Subsequent ground tests in collaboration with Eutelsat America Corporation showcased the antenna's ability to connect with geostationary satellites, underscoring its versatility. This is significant because we are able to use the same antenna to connect with two very different satellite systems, said Brian Schoonholz, a researcher at NASA Glenn. The importance of maintaining communication links in aviation cannot be overstated, especially as the industry gears up for an influx of autonomous air transportation options. Schoonholz emphasized this point, stating, "If an autonomous air taxi or drone flight loses its communications link, we have a very unsafe situation. We can't afford a dropped call up there because that connection is critical to the safety of the flight." This makes the development of robust communication technologies like the aerogel antenna essential for the burgeoning field of advanced air mobility. NASA's efforts in this area are part of a broader initiative to support the evolution of air transportation. The agency's Advanced Air Mobility Mission and Transformative Aeronautics Concepts program are dedicated to researching innovations that facilitate safe and efficient air travel. As airspace becomes increasingly crowded, technologies that reduce the risk of radio frequency interference from various aircraft types will be crucial in ensuring safe operations. Looking forward, NASA plans to develop and test a flexible version of the aerogel antenna later this year. This advancement is not just a step towards improving aircraft efficiency but also represents a vital move towards safer, more reliable air travel in an era where autonomous systems are expected to play a pivotal role. As these technologies continue to evolve, the future of air transportation appears promising, with NASA at the forefront of ensuring that communication remains uninterrupted and secure. In a groundbreaking discovery that could reshape our understanding of Mars history, NASA's Curiosity rover has unearthed significant deposits of siderite, a mineral type previously invisible to orbiting spacecraft. This discovery, made during the rover's ongoing exploration of Gale Crater, provides crucial evidence supporting the theory that Mars once possessed a thick carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere conducive to sustaining liquid water, an essential ingredient for life. The Curiosity rover, which has been operating on Mars since 2012, conducted a detailed chemical analysis of rock samples collected from different elevations of Mount Sharp within Gale Crater. The analysis revealed abundant siderite in 3 of the 4 samples drilled, while a 4th sample lacking significant siderite showed evidence of iron-rich minerals indicative of siderite's breakdown. This finding is particularly noteworthy as it suggests that more carbon may be sequestered in the Martian crust than previously understood. The discovery of abundant siderite in Gale Crater represents both a surprising and important breakthrough in our understanding of the geologic and atmospheric evolution of Mars, stated Benjamin Totolo, lead author of the research published in the journal Science. This mineral's presence indicates that ancient Mars likely had the right conditions for liquid water and an active carbon cycle, which are critical factors in assessing the planet's past habitability. The implications of this discovery are profound. Scientists have long speculated that Mars had a warmer, thicker atmosphere teeming with carbon dioxide in its early history, a necessary condition for the existence of lakes and rivers. Theories suggest that volcanic activity could have released substantial amounts of carbon dioxide, some of which escaped into space over time, yet enough remained to create environments capable of supporting liquid water. For over 3 decades, researchers have gathered evidence of ancient water flow on Mars, but the lack of carbonate minerals in the rock record has posed a significant puzzle. The presence of siderite now fills a crucial gap, suggesting that carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere reacted with surface rocks to form carbonate minerals. Thomas Bristow, a NASA research scientist and co-author of the study, elaborated. Drilling through the layered Martian surface is like going through a history book. Just a few centimeters down gives us a good idea of the minerals that formed at or close to the surface around 3.5 billion years ago. Curiosity's findings are not just limited to siderite. The rover also detected sulfates, minerals that typically form when water evaporates. The sequence of mineral formation indicates that siderite formed in tranquil water environments such as lakebeds rather than through volcanic activity. This discovery suggests a historical narrative of Martian lakes gradually drying up, leaving behind various other minerals. If similar carbonate deposits are found in other sulfate-rich regions across Mars, they could represent vast reservoirs of carbon, potentially rivaling or exceeding the current levels of carbon dioxide in the Martian atmosphere. Future missions and observations will be essential in confirming these findings and further elucidating the transformations Mars underwent as it lost its once thicker atmosphere. As scientists continue to analyze the data from Curiosity and other Mars missions, the prospect of understanding the red planet's climate history and its capacity to support life becomes increasingly tantalizing. The discoveries made by the Curiosity rover not only deepen our comprehension of Mars' geological past but also raise intriguing questions about the potential for life beyond Earth, inviting further exploration and study in the years to come. As the cosmos continues to enchant and inspire, celestial events this week promise to captivate stargazers around the world. From stunning lunar imagery to rare planetary alignments, April 2025 is shaping up to be a month full of astronomical wonder. On April 22, NASA's Astronomy Picture of the day featured a striking digital composite titled Terminator Moon, a moonscape of shadows captured by Rich Addis.
This image showcases the Moon's distinct Terminator regions, where daylight meets darkness.
The photograph uniquely highlights the long dramatic shadows cast by the Moon's craters, enhancing the three-dimensional effect of the lunar landscape. As Addis explains, the darker regions known as Maria are not just darker than the rest of the Moon, they are also flatter. This captivating visual serves as a reminder of the intricate details present on our lunar neighbor, which are often overlooked. As the week progresses, the skies are set to offer another spectacular display. Stargazers can expect to see a whimsical planetary alignment featuring Venus and Saturn accompanied by a crescent moon, creating a visual smiley face in the early morning sky on April 24 and 25. NASA reports that Venus has transitioned from its previous evening appearance to become a morning object, facilitating this delightful alignment. Brenda Culbertson, a solar system ambassador for NASA, suggested that anyone wanting to try for a glimpse of the conjunction should find a clear eastern horizon from which to observe. Observers should be prepared to look 30 to 45 minutes before sunrise for the best chance to catch this celestial smile. Adding to the excitement, the alignment occurs just after the peak of the Lyrid meteor shower, which is known for its bright and swift meteors. With viewing conditions favorable until about April 26, enthusiasts might be fortunate enough to witness both shooting stars from the Lyrids and the planetary alignment in one outing. The Lyrid meteor shower, derived from debris left by Halley's Comet, typically yields about 5 to 6 meteors per hour under optimal conditions, enhancing the stargazing experience. As we look ahead, the celestial calendar remains busy with the ETA Aquariids meteor shower set to peak around May 5 to 6. Such events not only provide awe-inspiring visuals but also serve as opportunities for education and engagement with the wonders of our universe. The harmony of these celestial phenomena reminds us of the intricate and dynamic nature of our solar system, sparking curiosity and appreciation for the night sky. With each new alignment and meteor shower, the cosmos continues to invite us to explore and discover, leaving us eager for what astronomical marvels await in the near future.